when I come to India as a refugee, then 24 years old, youth, so no white hair. Now today, now over 70, nearly 72 years old. So during a few decades, this body also is changing and still changing. Now that change, those obvious change happen only on the basis of momentarily changing. Without momentarily changing, the obvious change will not take place. Therefore, the change within decade, within year, within month, within hour, within minute, within second, change always takes place. Now I think scientific subatomic sort of level, always things are always moving. At a small particle level, always moving, never stand still. So now why that nature happened? Buddhists say, Buddhists believe it's nature because they think those momentarily changing phenomena entirely depend on its own causes and conditions. The causes and conditions also due to its own causes and conditions. So here the concept of law of causality, and that is the interdependency on the basis of causes and conditions, right? Or causality, cause result. Then another sort of meaning of interdependency, that is, now for example, 3 fingers here, suddenly we can say, this is longer, this is middle, this is shorter. But this longer is true, but without these 2 things, it's difficult to say, long or short. And now this one, of course I cannot remain very straight like that. Now this one, we cannot say short and long. But compare this, long. Compare this, shorter, short. So that's the interconnectedness. And many things we conventionally consider positive and negative, also relative. Some headache, mild headache itself, of course, headache bad. But compare more serious headache than mild headache, okay. Compare that, okay. The unbelievable sort of tragedy with that, compare that, the mild tragedy is okay. So that's the relative. So interdependency at the same time.
Interdependency taking place at the same time?
Not through the logic of cause and effect, not that way, but simultaneously dependence. Now today, things very clear. Change in global warming, and due to global warming, the North Pole and South Pole, and the effect felt everywhere.